It's not exactly Christmas weather. We're hovering around 90, but I guess for Arizona, sure.
You're saying that a high temperature of 90 does not put you guys in the mood for, the holidays?
I'm from Charlotte. I just moved here, so I'm still getting used to that heat. I'm waiting for that snow. Well, not really snow, but crisp weather, right?
Well, it's interesting you say that, Austin, because there could be some snow in the forecast for the high country by the end of next week.
Perfect.
There you go.
So we have some significant changes to talk about here potentially. Let's talk about the valley first because this could also be significant. Check out the high temperature for tomorrow. I have 90 for a high. But by Friday, we could be going down to the low 80s, maybe even the upper 70s. In addition to the big temperature change that will potentially be on the way for next week, we could also be looking at least the chance for some rain. Now, I want to make sure everybody understands this map. So the darker green means we're leaning above normal for rainfall. So when are we talking about? Well, I appreciate the question. I'll answer it right now. So November 14th to the 18th, that's what this map is showing of which way we are leaning for precipitation. November 14th is Friday. So again, it's Friday through next weekend where there is a pretty good chance of precipitation for parts of Arizona. A higher chance in the high country than in the valley. So it's not guaranteed that we get rain in the valley. I want to make sure I emphasize that, but at least is something that we're watching very, very carefully. We're also watching those very warm temperatures on the way for tomorrow. So if you're making those tea times, obviously early is better than later. Low 60s at 7 a.m., 84 by noontime, and our high temperature should be around 90 tomorrow afternoon. As I said before, that record high for tomorrow is 88. So if this forecast holds up, tomorrow would be a high temperature record breaker. In that 7-day forecast, you'll see we're not quite as warm on Monday and Tuesday, but still above normal in the mid to upper 80s. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, we start to get some cloud cover here. Temperatures back in the mid 80s. And then we're watching Friday and Saturday for the chance of rain. And look at this, potentially in the mid 70s by Saturday.